guys something we're very excited about for the Model 3. This is a complete steering wheel upgrade kit in carbon fiber. Now this kit is going to give your vehicle a great 3M or a real carbon fiber feeling of having the components wrapped. So check this out. Okay, so now when you look at the steering wheel now, it's plain, it's vegan, there's no leather on it. But what we have here are carbon fiber wraps, which are 3M vinyl decals. The bottom one is very simple. It just peels off. You just put it right on, and that's it. Nothing to it, nothing complicated. The center tee, we've had around for quite a long time. It's super easy. It has clear transfer tape on the front. If you come closer, I can show you how you just simply line it straight up, put it down, center it right on the V, press it down, and voila. This is a great simple. This is the same tee and the same steering wheel, tee that we sell for the Model S and the Model X. It's all the same part. So now we're going to hold the camera here, and we're going to start with the right side. Now notice these super tiny triangle cutouts. These go right around the illuminated lights. So registration and alignment is really easy. You just peel it off, and with the light off or with it on the camera, you can see the two white triangles shining through. So once the triangles are there and the wheel or the circle is perfect, that's it. So this is the alignment. A white triangle that illuminates and this white triangle that illuminates. And there is an option that has to be turned on to make that work. But watch how simple this installs. We're going to give you a squeegee with it, but you really don't even need it. You simply, all the sides will line up perfect. The edges, it goes up and over and around, almost tucks underneath the airbag assembly, and that's it. Super simple. Left side goes on the same way. And again, I don't need the light because it's illuminated, so we're going to back the light way up like this while still pointing at it, and I can see this in total darkness. So this is actually easier to put on at night than it is during the day. So there's one triangle, there's the second, and the third registration point is the scrolling wheel button. So just simply press it down. It's easy to install, easy to remove, temporary, not a permanent change, and it is a 3M carbon fiber wrap. Then you can simply use the squeegee we give you and push all these edges down, so it really looks like a nice, rich, wrapped item. I just don't have one on me, so I'm using my finger. And also, this is going to be a great match for when we finish the dash mat for the Model 3. This is the wooden dash that we are trying different colors on, and we're going to have a carbon fiber wrap on here going all the way across the car. It's going to match the steering wheel great, and we're even considering for some people the carbon fiber wrap. They might be interested for the center console. This is just wrapped right now with the glossy 3M paint protection film, or PPF. So this cannot be scratched. That's great. All right, there's just a few of the first new items for the Model 3. Thanks for watching. We'll take some more pictures tomorrow when it's not so dark out, but this is a great installation for darkness.